Hey, you, what it do? It's your boy Robdoesitall coming to you live and direct from Båtsfjord, Norway. Today's video is about travel tips, and I got one for you. A lot of people, they've been asking me how I can afford to travel where I go and how they can get started into traveling, right? So I'm going to start it with a quote. The traveler sees what he sees, but the tourist sees what he has come to see. So you got to start looking at traveling as not so much a destination, but this like kind of like almost a lifestyle. Like, for example, if you live in America, you may be wanting to go to, say, Japan, but Tokyo is going to be $3,000. It's going to be real expensive to go, right? There's so many other places you could go for cheaper. So if you just want to get started traveling, you could go to like Skyscanner, type in your location, and then just put anywhere and just see. You might could go to Central America, the Caribbean, wherever, for like $300. So this is a way to get started with traveling and seeing other cultures, seeing other people, seeing other countries, while you wait to have more money to maybe go to some of the bigger places. And then you can also hop around places. You know, like I went to Puerto Rico, and when I was in Puerto Rico, I went to the Virgin Islands. You know what I mean? I was in Albania when I was there. I also went to Macedonia. So this is a way that you can really get your traveling up, get your experience up, and then you can wait to save for the big places. But if you just want to travel, then travel. Like, just go. Just say, hey, right now, where am I at? Where's the cheapest place I can go to right now? And go. That's it. So it's your boy Rob Does It All. That's a travel tip. Follow me for more things. All right. Peace.